I'm not a human being. I was created by AI to talk for this video because my creator is currently eating snacks and avoiding work.
Did you know you can make any photo talk for free? Yes, so in just a few clicks, you can bring your pictures to life with no paid apps and no stress. Let me show you how.
First things first, you need an image. You can either use your own image or create one. To create an image, let's first of all head over to Pinterest to get inspiration of the kind of image we want to create. Tap on Pinterest. Now tap on the search bar. Now I'm going to type anything. So for you can type anything. Office outfit for women, office outfit for men, casual outfit for men. It all depends on you. So I'm going to go with office outfit for women. So I'll tap on send. Here are various outfits for women. Do you understand? So I like this one. So just tap on it and tap on this download button. Tap on download image. So the next thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT. Tap on the plus icon. Tap on photo. Select the image you just downloaded. Tap on add. Give ChatGPT a prompt. Say, give me a detailed prompt for this image. Aspect ratio 16:9. Then tap on the send arrow. Now, here is a detailed prompt from ChatGPT. All you just need to do is to long press, tap on select text, and copy. So head over to Gemini and tap on it. You will land on this interface. The next thing you want to do is to come down here and paste the prompt ChatGPT gave to you and tap on send. I'll give it a few seconds. Here is our image. Can you see that? The next thing you want to do is to tap on these three dots and tap on save image. And your image will be downloaded automatically to your phone. It's time for us to bring our image to life, to make it talk. And before you can make your image to talk, you need to have a voiceover. It's either you use an AI voice or you use your own voice by recording your voice, alright? So if you have that ready, the next thing you want to do is to go to your Chrome. On the search bar, type Adrium CapCut AI. Then tap on send. So you are going to land on this interface. The next thing you want to do is to tap on the first option. It will bring you to this interface. Now, before you can access this interface, it will ask you to sign up either with your Google account or your email. After you signed up, it will bring you to this interface. So the next thing you want to do is to tap on AI Agent. As you can see, other feature tools are not accessible. So for us to get this accessible, head over to Play Store. On Play Store, download ThunderVPN, this one. I have it installed already. For you, it will ask you to install it. So after you install, just tap on open. You will land here. All you just need to do is to tap on connect. That's all. Now head over to your browser. We are back on our browser. Just tap these three dots and tap on new tab. Type Adrium CapCut AI again. Tap on the first option again. Tap on AI Agent again. As you can see, other features are now accessible. Now, to make your image to talk, tap on AI Avatar. We have two options here. One is for picture and one is for voiceover. So tap the plus icon to select your image. Tap on done. Our image is ready. So the next thing you want to do is to upload your voiceover. So if you don't have a voiceover, no problem. You can write what you want your character to say in this option that says the character says. But if you have your voiceover, just tap on upload audio. Tap on media picker. Then you can now look for your voiceover. You need to play it to be sure if that is what you want your character to say.
I'm not a human being. I was created by AI to talk for this video.
Then you tap on send. Give it a few seconds, it's going to generate for you. Our video is ready. The next thing you want to do is to tap on it to play it.
I'm not a human being. I was created by AI to talk for this video because my creator is currently eating and avoiding work.
Next thing you want to do is to tap on download. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.